What's the least packable travel essential? Well, hats. And hats as we know them suck. Cheap materials, creased panels, sweat stains, logos plastered everywhere, and a complete lack of packability. So we made a list of what makes the perfect hat, and then we set out to make it until we got it right. Introducing Getaway Hats. Packable hats for travel, adventure, and life on the go. The semi-structured collection, available in 3 models. These hats keep shape, but can be crushed flat and won't develop creases. Thanks to our proprietary mesh construction, we source all materials with a focus on quality, comfort, and versatility. The hat is made with a wrinkle-resistant polyester with a premium soft touch. We finished it with a water-repellent coating and an anti-odor treatment. And we added breathable back mesh panels. The headband is made with a high-end microfiber called Ultra Suede. It has a plush feel, comfortable in any climate, and resistant to odors and stains. As an added benefit, we removed all itchy tags, and this hat is completely machine washable. We developed a custom pre-curved EVA brim for a classic look. It offers protection from the sun without sacrificing comfort. It's crushable, pliable, and most notably, floats. The adjustable back closure has the addition of elastic for some give. Hook it to your belt loop or backpack when not in use. Keeping with the theme of minimal branding, you'll find a small logo on a back tab. The semi-structured collection, the perfect companion for travel, adventure, and life on the go. Getaway Hats is based in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, and launched in September of 2021 with a budget-friendly travel hat on Amazon and getawayhats.com. Your contributions will help fund inventory and new colorways. We chose this funding platform because we believe in the community. They help kickstart some of our favorite brands, and we hope to become one of yours. Please consider supporting this project. Thanks in advance.